What rules govern forensic evidence admissibility in court? Imagine a courtroom where only trustworthy evidence makes its way to the judge and jury. How do courts decide what evidence is good enough to be heard? Let's find out. First, forensic evidence must be relevant. It has to connect directly to a fact that matters in the case. If it doesn't make a fact more or less likely, it usually won't be allowed. Next, the evidence must be authentic. That means it has to be genuine and not tampered with. Proper collection, preservation, and documentation are key steps here. Then, courts look at whether the forensic methods are reliable and accurate. The techniques used should be generally accepted by the scientific community or meet established standards. If a method is new or unproven, it might be rejected. Courts also want to avoid evidence that could unfairly prejudice the jury or cause confusion. Even if evidence is relevant, if it might mislead or distract, it can be kept out. Expert testimony plays a big role in forensic evidence. To be admitted, the expert must be qualified through knowledge, skill, experience, training, or education. Their opinions must be based on reliable methods and clear explanations. Judges act as gatekeepers, deciding if the expert's testimony is trustworthy and relevant enough to share with the jury. In the past, courts used the Frye Standard, which required that scientific techniques be generally accepted. Today, many courts follow the Federal Rules of Evidence, especially Rule 702. This rule says that expert opinions need to be based on sufficient facts or data, use reliable principles, and be applied reliably to the case. In criminal cases, the Sixth Amendment gives defendants the right to confront forensic analysts who produce evidence against them. This means they can cross-examine experts and challenge the evidence's validity. Supreme Court rulings have clarified how this right applies, but some questions still remain. In practice, judges carefully evaluate whether forensic evidence meets these standards before allowing it. Lawyers can challenge evidence by questioning the methods or qualifications of experts. Experts, in turn, avoid claiming absolute certainty when error rates are known, instead offering opinions within scientific limits. Overall, these rules are designed to make sure forensic evidence is trustworthy, relevant, and fairly presented. This helps keep courtroom proceedings honest and ensures justice is served.